Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear visions. And our today topic is big data specializations, course number 5 solution. एक्चुअली जो मेरी पिछली वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने कोर्स नंबर 4 मशीन लर्निंग विद बिग डेटा, डेटा इंटीग्रेशन एंड प्रोसेसिंग, बिग डेटा मॉडलिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिग डेटा, इन सब के क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में और असाइनमेंट का सॉल्यूशन दिया था. एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस ग्राफ एनालिटिक्स विद बिग डेटा कोर्स 5 ऑल वीक क्विज सॉल्यूशन एंड असाइनमेंट सॉल्यूशन. गो टू द ग्राफ एनालिटिक्स विद फॉर बिग डेटा, go to the week 1 and the week 1 have no quiz. Go to the week 2 and the week 2 have one quiz part, introduction to graph. And the course number 1 answer is this: A part A B C D E F G. And the question number second answer is this: from this side and to this side, A B C D E, A B C D E. This is the answer question number 2. And the question number third answer is comment text, post text and location. And the question number fourth answer is extract conversation threads, find interacting groups of users, find influence in a Twitter community. And the question number fifth answer is the integration of multiple data sources from different research and of different sources of informations. This is the question number 5 answer. And the question number 6th answer is velocity. And the question number 7th answer is volume. And the question number 8 answer is variety. This is the question number 8. And the question number 9 answer is valence. Question number 9th answer is valence. And the last question, sorry, this is not a last question, the question number 10th answer is velocity. Updating graph with a stream of position, posting information on Facebook is an example of which the VS velocity. And the question number 11th answer is valence, best defined as an impact of which of the VS. And the last question is question number 12, and the answer is variety of the graph is the most relevant to the graph analysis. This is the week 2 quiz answer of course number 5, graph analytics for big data. And now we will discuss, and in the last we will discuss this course peer graded assignment. And now we will go to week 3 quiz answer. And the week 3 quiz answer is, and the first part is graph analytics applications, and the second is connectivity, community and centrally analytics. This is the week 3 have two parts of quiz answer, and the first part is graph analytics application. Go to graph analytics applications, and the first question answer is false, and the second question answer is web pages, and the third question answer is hyperlinks, and the question number 4th answer is average number of emails sent from one user to another in a week. And the question number 5 answer is where there is an edge from a node to itself. And the question number 6th answer is someone emails themselves. And the question number 7th answer is multiple edges between Maria and Julio. And the question number 8th answer is true. The question number 9th answer is routing to avoid using the same bridge or road. And the question number 10th answer is Julio node was reachable from Maria node. And the question number 11th answer is true. And the question number 12th answer is 2. The question number 13 answer is maximize. And the question number 14 answer is exclusion of node and or edges and inclusion of nodes and or edges. And the question number 15 answer is avoid roads under construction, avoid highways. And the question number 16 answer is Dijkstra's algorithm is computationally inefficient. And the question number 17th answer is reduction of the size of the graph and splitting the task into a two independent shortest path problem. And now we will discuss to week 3 part 2 quiz answer. First part is graph analytics application and the second part is connectivity community and centrally analytics. And the first question answer is an attack which cause disconnection of the graph. And the question number 2 answer is the question number 2 answer is strongly connected. This is the question number 2. And the question number 3rd answer is this, and the answer is weakly connected. And the question number 4th answer is high degree nodes. And the question number 5th answer is 0. And the question number 6th answer is B. This is the question number 6th, which node is greatest listener, and the answer is B. And the question number 7th answer is which node are the greatest communicators, and the answer is A and C. And the question number 8th answer is don't know. And the question number 9th answer is static evolution and prediction. And the question number 10th answer is evolution. And the question number 11th answer is static. And the question number 12 is the question number 12, and the answer is don't know. And the question number 13, and the answer is B. This is the question number 13, answer is B. And the question number 14, answer is, I will put in comment box of this incorrect answer. And the question number 15 answer is a node which can reach all other nodes quickly. And the question number 16th answer is which nodes remove will maximally disrupt the network and a set of nodes which can reach all other nodes. And the question number 17th answer is closeness. And the question number 18th answer is betweenness. And the question number 19th answer is degree. This is the week 3 part 2 complete quiz answer. And week 3 have peer assignment. Week 3 have no peer graded assignment. Go to the week 4. And the week 4 have week 4 have two quiz parts. First one is quiz graph analytics with Neo4, and the second part is assessment question on practicing graph analytics with Neo4j with Cypher. First we will discuss graph analytics with Neo4. And those questions answers, wait, week 4 graph analytics with Neo4j. First question answer is union, and the second question answer is all nodes except root nodes. And the question number 3rd answer is true. And the question number 4th answer is true. And the question number 5 answer is brackets. And the question number 6th answer is graph database. And the question number 7th answer is match. And the question number 8 answer is false. And the question number 9 answer is false. Assessment question or practice graph analytics. And if you want this answer, then comment in comment box. I will send to you this answer. Week 4. Go to the week 4 and have assignment practice graph analytics, and there have no peer graded assignment. Go to the week 5, and the week 5 have week 5 quiz answer using graph X. There are 4 questions, and the first question answer is this. This is the first question answer. Variable value countries colon RDD vary word text id place node is equal to may acido text file filter map line value row is equal to my line split 100 plus row 0 dot to int country row. And the question number second, third, and if you want this answer, then comment in comment box. And this is a week 5 complete quiz answer using graph X. And now we will discuss of assignments of graph analytics for big data. And the assignment of week 2 graph analytics for big data, and the peer graded assignment is graphs in everyday life. And go to my submission, and the my submission is this. PDF में एक्चुअली ये फाइल PDF में अपलोड करनी है, and I will show you this answer, this assignment answer. Graphs in everyday life, and the answer of this question is, and the assignment of this answer is, this is the graph of this assignment. If you want this PDF, then comment in comment box. I will send to you this assignment in the form of PDF of your mail ID, users, friendships, chat session, private message pages, create, edit, delete, comment, post. You can make on your graph. See this graph. इस ग्राफ को देख के तुम अपना खुद का ग्राफ बना के PDF अपलोड कर देना. This is the answer of week 2 graphs in everyday life. Week 2 assignments, peer graded assignments of this course number 5, graph analytics with big data. And thank you, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel.